Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you the best remedy in the world for high cholesterol. But it's not just any remedy. It's homemade, natural, easy to make, and quick. Anyone can prepare it in less than 2 minutes. And the best part, it's super affordable. You know that high cholesterol is a serious problem. Many people die every day from cardiovascular issues. If only they knew about this juice, things would be completely different. This juice has the ability to reduce inflammation in your body, cleanse the toxins that cause this inflammatory process, and help lower your cholesterol. It's also excellent for people with high triglycerides and blood sugar levels, as it helps reduce those conditions too. I want to challenge you. Get a cholesterol test. After 21 days, come back here in the comments and tell me if your cholesterol levels have gone down. Do you accept the challenge? Let me know in the comments if you're in. Let's tackle cholesterol together. Let's start making our detox juice. First, grab a carrot. Carrots are rich in fiber, which helps absorb excess sugar in the blood, reducing inflammation in the body. Wash the carrot thoroughly and cut it into small pieces to make it easier to blend. Next, take half a lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and have antioxidant properties that cleanse the body. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the blender. The next ingredient is 1 peeled garlic clove. Garlic is well known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It works wonders for blood pressure and heart health. Peel the garlic clove and soak it in a glass of water overnight. This will help release its beneficial properties. But don't blend the garlic itself. Just add the water it was soaking in overnight to the blender. Now, add 1 liter of water to the blender. The water will help dilute the ingredients and make it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. With all the ingredients in the blender, blend everything well until you get a smooth mixture. This should take about a minute. Done. Our detox juice is ready. Pour it into a large glass and drink it on an empty stomach. There's no need to strain it. Remember to take a 30-minute walk after drinking the juice and then drink 600 milliliters of plain water. This juice is an excellent way to start your day with a boost of nutrients and naturally control your cholesterol. Try it for 21 days and notice the difference in your health. Want to take your health even further? Cut wheat flour out of your diet and start drinking more water. Just these changes can make a huge difference. If you like this video, leave a like, turn on notifications, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with as many people as possible. Let's save lives together. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.